Children, this is the second video's continuation. Here there are two videos today I am going to put. So, in the first video, I was telling or explaining about the aristocracy, or the Europe was divided into two groups, and what was that? The aristocracy and the peasantry. So, aristocracy, I told you that land owning classes people were there, as the people who speaks French language, and they were in small group, but they were very powerful people. Now, the second group were who? They were peasantry, and they were working under, or the majority of the population of people were working under aristocracy, and they were looking after the aristocracy people's land, and they were under them only, but they were not having equality, or they were not having freedom to do whatever they want, or they were suffering due to the aristocracy people. They were not having equality in the society. And now let us see the third group, from where this third group came. The third group, and that was after the means the industrialization of the country was done, or the industry came up. That time what happened? The people, they were the people, those who were protesting, the people those who were protesting or supporting the peasantry people, because they were not having rights, they were not having duties, or they were not having equality in the society. So who came forward? The well educated people. They were known as the middle class people. Who were the middle class people? Here they were the doctors, the lawyers, the advocates and all, and they all were having good knowledge or good hold in the society, and they can fight for the people, or those who can take the rights from the people and give justice to the people, those who were suffering. So this type of group of people, they came forward and they were protesting, and they were known as the new middle class people. Who were there? They were the new middle class people, and they started coming in front of the society to give equality among the people. Now, what was the idea of this middle class, new middle class people? New middle class people, their idea, that was, they want the nation's unity. What they want? They want the nation's unity. That, what was the idea? They should be one culture, they should be one language, they should be one tradition, and they should be one history. Whose idea it was? Whose idea it was? It was new middle class people. What was the idea? The new middle class people's idea was to for the unity, and they must have one culture, they must have one language, they must have one tradition and one history, so that there will be unity among the nation. Then the second idea was that liberal nation. They want a liberal nation. What was that liberal nation? Let us see. The first point is that freedom of individual. Liberal nationalism means what happened? Nationalism, that is liberal, that is freedom of the individual, equality before the law. In the eye of law, everyone should be equal. No rich, no poor, no first class, no second class, and no middle class. Everyone should hold the good position, and they should respect each other, which was absent during that time. Then the third point was what? Government with people's agreement. Whatever government, that should be with the agreement of the people, for the people. That means the equality should be there, and the government should give justice to the people, all type of people, not only for the aristocracy, not only for the peasantry, not only for the middle class. But who was working for that? They were new middle class people. Then, and this liberal liberal nationalism, what it did, end of aristocracy rule. Now that is the problem. Aristocracy, just now I told you who were this aristocracy. They were the people who were very big people, or very rich people, or clergy people they were, and they were ruling, or they were seeing the full society, and they were not giving justice to the people. That was, so what it was, they want to end the aristocracy rule, and the and the means the privilege should be given to everyone. And the fifth point was that constitution and representative government. What they want? The constitution and the representative government. That means the representative should be from the people, that was from the new middle class people, and the constitution and representative should be from the government, not from the aristocracy, or not from there, but from the middle class people. Then the two ideas of educated middle class. Now, what was the two idea? That was the new middle class people. From where this new middle class people came? They were the new middle class people who were protesting, or they want. So, what was their idea? Two ideas of educated middle class people. Educated, they were fully educated, and they were knowing everything. So, what was their idea? The first idea was nation's unity. They want that nation should have unity, or unity must be among the people. There should not be any high, there should not be any low. That means that there should not be aristocracy rule. There should not, the means help should be given to the second class people, and the liberal nationalism. Now, two problems were there. What was that two problems? Let us see. During this time, two problems came. Only man above 21 years was allowed to vote. And those who were, उस समय क्या problem था उन लोग को? First problem was that the only men above 21 years were allowed to vote. That means for the women there was no place for the vote. And that also 21 and above man, जिसके पास प्रॉपर्टी है वही वोट दे सकता है. दैट वॉज द प्रॉब्लम, द बेसिक प्रॉब्लम, दैट अगर जो भी वोट दे रहा है तो कौन वोट देगा? तो हु वेर अबाउट 21, बट जिसके पास प्रॉपर्टी है वही वोट दे सकता है. एंड ओनली मैन, वुमेन्स वेर नॉट अलाउड टू गिव वोट. स्टेट टू स्टेट ट्रेड restriction. Now that was the biggest problem. एक स्टेट से दूसरे स्टेट रेस्ट्रिक्शन था. क्या चीज़ का? कि एक स्टेट से दूसरे स्टेट ट्रेड मतलब बिजनेस, एक स्टेट से दूसरे स्टेट नहीं जा सकता था. तो वो क्या हो गया? दैट वाज ऑल्सो वे बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम. तो प्रॉब्लम क्या थे? दो. आइडिया दो था, प्रॉब्लम दो था. आइडिया क्या था? क्या था एजुकेटेड मिडिल क्लास का आइडिया? Nation's unity and liberal nationalism. And two problems were what? One problem was that about 21 years men were allowed to vote, and there was no vote for the women. But men also, those who were having property, they only can vote. And second point, second problem was there, state to state trade restriction was there. So trade cannot be done from one state to other, or from one country to other. So how the business can be done? Now let us see 1834 में क्या हुआ. 1834 what happened? Let us see. 1834 what happened? Custom union formed. So custom union formed, named as Zolwyn. Zolwyn, that was Persia started this, and this was named as Zolwyn. And many other country, or many others, that is German state joined later on. तो देर वॉज अ यूनियन, कस्टम यूनियन फॉर्म्ड, और उसको जर्मनी और जर्मन पीपल, जर्मन स्टेट ऑल्सो ज्वाइन लेटर ऑन. नाउ ये कस्टम यूनियन फॉर्म्ड, और इसका रिजल्ट क्या था? लेट अस सी. सम रिजल्ट केम और रिजल्ट वॉज देयर. सो रिजल्ट ये था कि एबॉलिश ट्रेड बैरियर. ट्रेड बैरियर को जब एबॉलिश कर दिया तो क्या हो जाएगा? टैक्स नहीं देना पड़ेगा. ट्रेड बैरियर वॉज एबॉलिश्ड, मतलब ट्रेड बैरियर को ख़त्म कर दिया, टैक्स को ख़त्म कर दिया. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज व्हाट? रिड्यूस नंबर ऑफ करेंसीज फ्रॉम 30. अब उस समय में 30 करेंसीज था, वो 30 करेंसी को रिड्यूस करके कितने पे ला दिया? 2 करेंसी, 2. सो व्हाट वाज द रिजल्ट? कस्टम यूनियन जब फॉर्म हुआ तो उसका रिजल्ट हमको क्या मिला? उसके प्रोटेस्ट से या उसके रिजल्ट हमको ये मिला कि एबॉलिश ट्रेड बैरियर्स. तो जो बैरियर्स था जो टैक्स का, उसको उन लोग ने माफ़ कर दिया या नहीं देना है करके टैक्स को ख़त्म कर दिया. और सेकंड वाला क्या था? रिड्यूस्ड नंबर ऑफ करेंसीज. उधर में बहुत सारे करेंसीज थे तो उसको रिड्यूस करके 30 करेंसीज वेर दे. So what happened? 30 currencies were reduced and it came to 12. So that is all with this video, children. Second day's video and second video. There are 2 videos. So with that I am concluding. So rest we will see in the third video. That's all. Thank you.